you can do this while you're yoni steaming. It's that extra detox. Okay, so let's just say this is oil. You will put this in here. You gonna be okay? Would you be okay with being wet or no?
I'm fine.
Okay, so you get like a white towel. You put it in there, soak it in the oil. Then you want to squeeze as much oil out as you can. And then we're going to put it on your wound, and it's going to be like 3 inches below your navel, approximately. This is not going to be like a real deal, because I wouldn't. Are you okay with standing up? You can kind of like pull your hands down. Okay, let's just say if she wanted to. So you're going to get saran wrap, clingy wrap, as this is called. And you're going to wrap yourself up. And so she would take all this stuff off, but we just doing this for teaching sake. PG-13. Keep going. And then we can go like around until you feel like it's secure. So some people don't want to do a heating pad. You can do a hot water bottle, but we're gonna do a heating pad right here. Then we're gonna put this on here, plug it in, and you sit down. You can sit down, and you're gonna do like look at TV, like I was saying she did. Do your V-steam. You don't want to do it for more than an hour, and a couple of times per week. Then you get a photo.